When I got pregnant, I thought college would be not a thing that I could do because I would tell myself that it'd be harder and complicated, but now I know it's not.
She's just an amazing girl, and although she has that optimism and all those strengths that she has, she was a little down on herself and not really wanting, or not that she didn't want, but was kind of considering like the whole college experience, like it's probably going to be tougher with a baby. It's a great program kind of just to get the kids, or our teen moms, our teen parents, to kind of know a little bit more about themselves. They get to learn not only their strengths, but their values.
I just thought I was, an average teenager who did this, went to basketball games, went to football games, did that. But when we sat down and actually talked about them, I realized that I'm more valuable than I thought. Like my strength, I'm really optimistic, I'm determined. I'm not judgmental in any way. I'm open, I'm caring. It helps me because it opens a lot of doors for me. I'm not shutting down from things I would do before. So, new opportunities.
And she's going to school. She'll be starting Chico State in the fall semester, so that is a really big accomplishment for her. And to just stick with her dreams and not giving up, and I have to say that is why I'm most proud of her, is for not giving up just because she has a baby.
And I'm excited to start college and seeing her grow and just having a wonderful life with her.